Do you ask yourself how this is possible? That when you move a cursor to different cells, the highlight also move following the row of a particular active cell? Yeah, it's so easy. Let me show you how you can make this easier. For whatever a particular active cell you click on, it will highlight the whole row of that cell. Now, let's go. Okay, here now is an easy way on how you can locate and find a particular data in a worksheet that has a bulk of various data. The following steps are very important. Now, first of all, you have to Control A. It means that you highlight all data in your particular worksheet, and then you have to go to the Home tab. Make sure you are here in the Home tab, and then find the conditional formatting. Here in conditional formatting, we have a lot of conditional formatting here, but specifically for this, we have to generate a new rule. So come here to the new rule, click, and this window will appear, of which you are required now to set the formula that will be used to determine a particular cell that you are looking for. It is in which row or column. Now click here to the use formula to determine which cell to format, and then you have to come here to this box, then generate your formula. The formula applied here, it is equals to row, then you put two parentheses there, you add another equals to cell, put parentheses, put double quote, and then here in double quote write again row, double quote, and another parenthesis. Now I will explain a little bit how this formula works. When you say equals to row, it means that we need to locate a particular row, and this particular row has to be referred due to the particular cell that is active by that time, and that's why here after the row it follows the cell which is in reference to the row that you have chosen. Now after determining this formula, before allowing here to OK, you have to give a format, because here it tells you that there's no format set, and therefore we need to go to the format here, and now we select that format. Is an easy format that you may simply choose here. It is the one that may easily locate and show us this data is in which row. Now we have to use this fill format. The fill format will allow you to choose or to select different colors here. Then as for me, I will choose this yellow because yellow it is easy to see. Therefore, after choosing this yellow, I will click OK, and then you will see here to the preview it has also changed color into yellow. Now it is ready to allow. I'll allow it OK, and then after finishing that, by now you will see the first row. The first row here it is highlighted. Why is it highlighted? Because our active cell it is in the first row, as you can see in this row number 4. But if we move this active cell into another row, into different row, nothing happened. The highlight still remain in this first row, our row number 4. But we need to do the way that when we click this cursor into any active cell, also this yellow highlight to appear. Now what's the next step? Here we need to, as we said, we highlighted all, and therefore Control A, I will highlight them all. I will right click to the name of worksheet. My worksheet is called database. It is seen here. Now I will right click here, then I will go to the view code. Here you can see there's insert, delete, rename, move, copy, and whatever. But here we need to view code. Why we need to view code? Here we need to generate the code that will set the formula of which it will be responding to the active cell which is selected. Now I'll go to view code. Then to this view code, there is general and a declaration here. Now in this worksheet we have to go specifically into a worksheet, not general, but because we are in this worksheet. Now I go to worksheet. To go into worksheet, you will see the code generator will appear there, and therefore here you are supposed to put your code, that is target.calculate. Now here you have just to write it, target, put dot calculate. Now you can see it is appearing here, this calculate. Now I double click it. Our code is now ready. It is target.calculate. It is sent here. Now if our code it is ready, and therefore we are ready to go, and what you have to do here, it is to cancel this window of code and cancel all of it. Now your document is ready. As you can see, when you just move this cursor into different active cell, it will show you. For instance, I want to see this 50, this 50 here. The active cell, it is U14, as you can see, but I'll highlight the whole row from row 14 here. If I move to another cell, it does the same, do the same like here. Therefore, now see you next time. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, but also comment down there to our channel. Ciao.